Using your graphing calculator, find me the inverse of that matrix.
Done. Let's go.
All right, so on the graphing calculator, let's blow that up a little bit. Actually, I think I can just hit that, and then there we go. Yeah, buddy. Okay. All right, so we are going to add a calculator, and then we're going to make it be a 3 by 3, and then it's going to be 2, 1, negative 2, 5, 3, 0, 4, 3, oops, 0, 4, 3, 8. And then we put that to the negative 1 power. Okay? And so we get that.
Whoa. I got that.
Okay, so let me get that back into here now. And then, so what you're saying is, if I wanted to make this be, I would pull out a 1/2, right?
Isn't that what your equation was?
But just wait. If I pull out a 1/2 to get rid of those fractions, which I can, okay, then this would be 24, negative 14, 6, negative 40, 24, negative 10, 3, negative 2, 1.
So you could get that as an answer too.
Okay.
So, wait, the original equation you gave us.
That was for a 2 by 2 matrix.
Oh, so this one is literally just a 3 by 3 multiplied. I didn't want you to have to worry about that.
Raised to the negative 1 power.
Yeah, but we don't. I'm sorry,
Which is
we don't
different
have
than
to
what you said, just so you know.
worry- Okay. You know what? So then we don't have to worry about the 1 over the determinant. Like
No.
3 by 3. Okay.
No. You can do it that way, but that's what I was saying up here before, was that back when I was your age, we had to find the inverses of 3 by 3s by hand. And I've forgotten how to do it because it's a kind of involved process.
Yeah.
And so I might have to go dig deep into the vault and figure out how to do that again.
Once didn't have graphing calculators.
Okay?
You calling him old?
I'm not. I'm just saying there probably wasn't graphing calculators in school.
First ones came out when I was a junior in high school.
And you probably didn't use it very much.
I used it my whole senior year, yeah.
So
Mhm.
He came out and took off.
Okay? So, solve this one by hand using matrices. This is what we did yesterday. Okay? Alright, so first off, we got to convert it into a matrix equation. So, the matrix equation would be 5, negative 2, 2, negative 4. Okay? Then, x and y. Then, negative 10 and 12. Agree with converting it first into the matrix equation. Okay? Then, it says we need to find the inverse of the coefficient matrix. So my coefficient matrix was 5, negative 2, 2, negative 4. The inverse of that, we'll call it C inverse, is going to be 1 over negative 20 plus 4, right? And then what do I do inside the matrix? Negative 4 moves up to the left.
2,
Positive 2,
negative 2,
negative 2,
5.
and then positive 5. Okay? So this is 1 over negative 16 times this bad boy. Now, do I have to multiply in that negative 1/16? No, don't have to do it. Okay? Then, step 3 says, now I need to take, so my final answer here is going to be xy is going to equal negative 1/16 times negative 4, 2, negative 2, 5 times my number matrix, which was negative 10 and 12. You need it, but you don't have to do it yet. You don't have to multiply it in yet because you're going to get goofy fractions. And nobody likes goofy fractions. Okay? What's up? How far? So, this negative 1/16 is going to stay out. Negative 4 times negative 10 plus 2 times 12. Negative 2 times negative 10 plus 5 times 12. Can I scroll down, sir? Thank you. Okay. So then that's going to be negative 1/16 times positive 40 plus 24 is 64. Positive 20 plus 60 is 80. Now I can distribute in that negative 1/16 and I get so that's going to be what? Negative 4 and negative 5. Yes.
How do you know 64 times it?
64 times negative 1/16, 80 times negative 1/16. Yep. Scalar multiplication was one of the first things we did with matrices. Okay. So this tells me that my potential answer here is the point negative 4 comma negative 5. What should I now do with that? Check it way back up here. Okay? So if x is negative 4, I get negative 20. If y is negative 5, I get positive 10. Negative 20 plus 10 is negative 10. If x is negative 4, I get negative 8. If y is negative 5, I get positive 20. Negative 8 plus 20 is 12. It checks out. So this is my answer. Okay? Questions on that? Now remember, yesterday we took, because it was the first time seeing it, it took us a long time to do that. We've just done our second one now, and we've shortened it up to under 5 minutes. Okay? So, as you can see, this will go a lot quicker the more practice you get with it. Okay? Go for it. All right, so 3, negative 4, 2, negative 3, x and y equals 5 and 3. Yes? Okay. All right. So x and y here is going to equal the inverse of that times that. Correct? Okay. So if you were doing it by hand, you would find the inverse. Okay. -9 plus 8, so that's -1, and then it would be -3, 4, -2, +3, multiplied through. Okay. If you're doing it on the graphing calculator, actually here, let me just do one step at a time here. Okay. So this would be 1 over -1 times -3, +4, -2, +3 times 5/3. So that's going to be -1 times -3 times 5 plus 4 times 3, -2 times 5 plus 3 times 3. So that is -1 times -15, so that's -3, -10, that's -1. So x and y here hold on, give me a second, is going to be 3 and 1. Okay? Now, on the calculator, all you've got to type in is the 2x2 matrix of 3, -4, 2, -3, and you're going to take that to the -1 power. Then you're going to multiply that by the 2x1 matrix, 5, 3. What person? From the numbers. It's the number matrix. Okay? Wesley?
I have the answer.
I don't care. Did you have it written down on the back of your eyelids? No. Okay. So my answer then is going to be the point 3, 1. What should we do with that then?
Plug and check.
Check it in. Okay. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 1 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Checks out in both. So there is my answer. Okay. Now, can we use this in this situation? Yeah. Yeah. You do it the exact same way. Okay.
I'm gonna use my graphing calculator for this one.
Try it. So first off, set it up. -3, 1, -8, 1, -2, 1, 2, -2, 5, x, y, z equals 18, -11, -17. Yes? Okay. So then XYZ is going to equal, I want it anyways.
Can't have anything nice.
Nope. 3, 1, -8, 1, -2, 1, 2, -2, 5, and we're going to take that to the -1 power times 18, -11, -17. Right? Okay. So type that into the calculator. Oops, now I got to really. Write this down again. Negative 3, 1, negative 8, 1, negative 2, 1, 2, negative 2, 5, 18, negative 11, negative 17. Okay, so here we go. So my first one is a 3 by 3. Okay, negative 3, 1, negative 8, 1, negative 2, 1, 2, negative 2, 5, and I'm going to take that to the negative first power. Then I'm going to multiply that by a 3 by 1 matrix. 18, negative 11, negative 17.
I got that one. Well, do you agree with that answer?
Well, what do we have to do in order to agree with that answer?
Check it out.
Check it. So we got negative 2, 4, and negative 1. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6, plus 4 plus 8. 6 plus 4 plus 8 is positive 18. Checks out. Negative 2 minus 8 minus 1 is negative 11. Checks out. Negative 4 minus 8 minus 5 is negative 17. Checks out. So my answer then is the point negative 2, 4, negative 1.
Now we could do that by hand.
You could have done that by hand, but as I've seen on some people's homeworks, that doing a 3 by 3 by hand takes about a half a page. Okay? This, no, it's not a problem. This took 6 lines.
Not even. I put it in 2 lines.
Why ain't that?
I'm that fancy.
Okay?
But I use 2.
And by hand, Joey probably would take 15, 20 minutes ish.
Yes. 5 minutes. I do want to see one done by hand though.
You gotta figure out how to do that.
Wait.
So you would let us use a graphic calculator on Whiteboard?
So we can use
How would you find
calculator
the
anytime.
inverse of 3 by 3? That is the calculator. How do you do that?
Anybody want to take that one?
No, that's all you.
Bet you can do that. Don't worry. We got you.
Okay.
And don't even tell.
We've been talking about it the entire class. Yeah. Yeah. I don't remember how to do it. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, that's the thing you're talking about?
Yeah.
I don't know.
No one you're speaking.
I think I will make Wonka laugh.
You might have been taking a cat nap at that
I
time.
don't know. I remember
Okay.
saying you forgot to
Yeah, how to do it, and I gotta look up on it, and but you won't have to do it. Don't worry.
To find it inverse.
Are you gonna show us how to do it though?
I might on Monday.
Oh
No, that was.
It's got something to do with rows and columns and switching, and yeah,
It's a messy one.
it's yeah.
See, Lynn should have taught us
Yep.
that way first. We already got those assignments.
So again, these are the same that you had yesterday. Okay.
I gotta get 2 people paper out.
So that one's Tuesday.
What if we want to do Monday?
Joey, shut up. Joey.
Why you guys gotta be so mean to me?
That one's
You
Monday.
know it's better yourself.
I don't want to be doing math homework when I'm fishing this weekend.
Well, that's it.
Well, if you did it before you left to go fishing,
Yeah, but sometimes Let's go away.
Yeah.